Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. Day number 9 of my 24 days of Christmas Vlogmas series. I hope you're all enjoying the content that everybody is producing. There are lots of creators out there that I'm getting to know really well, so I just wanted to give those a little bit of a shout out because they are also doing Vlogmas. I'm talking about the wonderful Aisha from The Moon and Stars. She does lots and lots of hauls and unboxing. She loves her skincare, anything spooky-ooky, things like that. So if you're into your gothic and alternative, please do check Aisha out. Also pop over and say hi to Rachel, Enigma Reviews. She is regularly updating content. She likes to get her shoe hauls, she likes jewellery hauls, gothic and alternative. She likes to support small Etsy businesses as well. Then there's Casey Jane. She is also doing Vlogmas, her and her husband Jack. They are fellow Yorkshireites, so please do go and support them. And of course, not forgetting the wonderful Lisa from Authentic Beauty. Her video that she uploaded a couple of days ago, the Tim Tim's 6-minute craft parody thing. Please go and watch that. If you assure you, if you're having even the worst day, watching that will cheer you up no end. So as you can see by today's title, I have a Black Friday haul for you, and it is from Superdrug. Now then, this is the first time I've actually done a bit of a Superdrug online haul. Normally I would pop into the shop, but one thing and another, that's not possible. And I've got a bit of a story time associated with this haul. So before we get, if you're enjoying the Vlogmas series, please do give these videos a thumbs up. Just helps with YouTube's algorithms to put my channel out there a little bit more. And let's see if we can't build this wonderful community over on Making It Up a wee bit more than it is at the minute. We are also going to get straight into our advent calendars. So day number 9 from Look Fantastic. And here we are, it's in the middle, just above number 25. So let's grab this one out. Oh, it feels very light today. There's not much weight to that at all. Let's have a look. Oh, it looks like a pencil of some sort. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Yes, it is. Who is it by? It's by Diego Dalla Palma, and it looks like a black eyeliner. Here we go. Have I got that the right way up? No, knew it'd be upside down. There we go, everybody. Let's just give that a quick swatch, because nice pencil black eyeliners are always good to have. There we go. It is a pencil rather than a gel eyeliner. Yeah, that looks really quite nice. Feels fairly soft, not overly soft but not too harsh either. So item number 9 from Look Fantastic. Let's now do the box of Gothmas. And here we go, day number 9. Quite a weighty little item. It feels like it could be like a cleansing balm or something in here, but we shall see. Let's open it up. Okay, here we go. It's about to fall out the bottom bit. Let's have a look. Ooh. Wow, look at that. Look at the size of that prismatic crystal. Isn't that amazing? Wow, I bet when the sunlight catches that, it'd be awesome. That'd be nice to keep and maybe pop outside. Oh wow, fantastic. That is really weighty, really weighty. That is absolutely super. Love that. So day number 9 from our box of Gothmas. Okay everybody, here we go. We are going to get in to this Black Friday Superdrug haul. If you don't know, I do work quite closely with Lisa from Authentic Beauty. We have done a couple of makeup challenge collaboration videos recently, which have been amazing fun. We have got the next one of those coming out next week. So please make sure you are subscribed and you've got your notification bells clicked and turned on to all. That way YouTube tells you every time I upload a video. Usually that's around about 3 times a week. Obviously at the moment that is every day up to Christmas Day. We were in Lisa's live stream one, I think it was the Sunday night. Yes, it was. She does 2 a week, one on a Thursday morning at 11 AM and the other at 8 PM on a Sunday, both UK time. We were in there and somebody happened to mention, I don't know whether it was Lisa, Kelly, Afflicted Beauty, or Ellie, who has a blog as well as Afflicted Beauty, she does. Somebody mentioned that there was this Black Friday deal on Superdrug's website, and if you went and spent £15 on Revolution makeup, you got a free mystery bag. You also got free delivery. So everybody was like, oh, just a minute. So nattering away in the live stream, carrying on with that. Popped a few bits in the box because it was also on 3 for 2 as well. So it was, all you had to do was spend £15, get a free mystery bag. You were getting 3 for 2 on everything in Revolution, and free delivery. So it was a no-brainer. So that was on the 29th of November. I'm filming this the day before you're seeing this, so I'm filming this on the 8th of December, and the order has literally just been delivered today. That's quite a long time for Superdrug to deliver an order, isn't it? So, I have some notes with me here. This is the story time. So it was ordered online on Sunday the 29th of November. Now, I then received some emails. I received 3 emails from Superdrug, all basically saying the same thing. On Thursday the 3rd, Friday the 4th, and Saturday the 5th of December. So sort of like, what, after 72 hours of placing the order. Basically explaining that there'd been a delay in the processing with their warehouse staff, one thing and another. They would let me know when it was shipped, which they did, and it was shipped on Sunday the 6th of December. So it's only taken 2 days to actually physically get here once it's left their warehouse. So excitedly opened my box up this morning, and the items that I've bought, the 6 Revolution items, are there. However, the free mystery bag wasn't there. Now this is kind of funny because Casey Jane also did this offer, and she went to, she clicked and collected her order, so when she picked it up, her mystery bag was missing as well. It's a little bit strange. So I goes on the Superdrug website today, and it decides the live chat was available where you can talk with the customer service assistant. So I decided, oh, let's do the live chat. So I happened to say, you know, I've done the order, I've received it this morning. However, there's a free item is missing, and the lady on the other end of the chat, who was called Amy, was really, really lovely, and basically said, oh, you know, ever so sorry about that. As a matter of goodwill, we'd like to offer you 400 beauty card points as compensation. Now, this is the first online Superdrug order, like I say, that I've ever done. So I happened to explain this to her and went, I haven't got a beauty card because this is the first order I've ever done with you. Is there no other way of compensating me for this, please? And she was like, ever so sorry, no, that's the only way we do it. So I sort of messaged back and said, well, that's a little disappointing. It's the first time I've ever done an order with you. The free mystery bag hasn't arrived, and also there has been a delay with this order in the processing and therefore the shipment of it, because the excuse was, oh, you know, the free gifts are only available, or while ever there's stock availability at the time your order is processed and shipped out. It looks like there was a stock issue when your order was processed, so I'm ever so sorry, here's the beauty card points as compensation. So like I say, messaged her back saying, well, this isn't really good enough, you know, I have to say this is not the best customer service I've ever received. I've explained the situation. You're not offering me anything other than beauty club card points that not really acceptable for me. You know, this is a bit of a poor show, but thank you very much for your time if there really is nothing else you can do. And again, message back, no, I understand completely how frustrated and disappointed you must be, but no, I'm afraid the only way we compensate is with beauty card points. So everybody, this is kind of, I think, going to end up being my very first sort of rant video, because I'm not very happy. The only reason I'd done the order was to get this free mystery bag, because it was such a good deal. All you had to do was spend £15. You were getting a 3 for 2 offer as well, and you were getting free delivery. Like I say, no-brainer. So the items I picked up in order to spend, which I ended up spending with the three for 2, I ended up spending £15.20, so virtually bob on, which I was very proud of myself for that, to be honest. And I have got some Revolution, I have got another Makeup Revolution haul that will be coming to you in the new year. So I thought, you know, fair enough, I'll pick up a few bits to take advantage of this offer. So I got the Prime and Lock eyeshadow primer. I'm using the XX Revolution one at the moment, and although it's really nice, I just wanted to try a different Revolution formula for eye primer. I got a lip pencil in the shade TGIF, which, to be honest, I've been looking at for a while, so, you know, I thought, well, fair enough, whack that in the basket. I also got a lipstick. It's the Rose Gold lipstick in the shade Private Members Club, which is a really dark purpley berry colour. I know, shock horror, right? Me with purpley berry lips. I know. And then I did pick up this, which sounded like a really, really interesting item. This was the magnetised green eyeshadow, and I think this is supposed to be a bit of like a duochrome eyeshadow, but we shall see when I test it out. And then I also picked up a couple of nail varnishes. Not that I'm somebody who really does my nails, but both these colours I had seen before and they did speak to me. So again, I thought, well, why not? To do this offer to get the free mystery bag. So I'm not upset at having bought these items. However, I wouldn't have done it then. You know, I could have waited for these until the new year or whatever. And it's just the fact that, you know, I've contacted them, I've done it straight away. I even took photos of the fact that it was missing, but they would not budge. Maybe I should have in that last message said, well, that's okay, you know, I'm going to bob off now and film a YouTube video explaining this story, and then maybe seeing what the response had been. But I thought, no, why, if I had have got any different a response, and maybe then if they had a turned about tail and offered me some compensation, then why should have I had to do that and mention the fact that I've got a YouTube channel and therefore this was going to be going out to potentially 50, 60 plus people? You know, just to get some form of customer service. At the end of the day, I've made an order in good faith based on an advertised offer that they're saying I've not now received because of stock issues when my order was processed and shipped out, but that was delayed on something on their part. Again, not my fault. Am I unjust in thinking this way? Should I just gone, be right? What do you all think? Please let me know all your thoughts, feelings and feedback to this video down in the comments section below, everybody. I'm not a negative Nancy. I don't normally come on and have a rant, like I say. But this one, I kind of felt deserved a bit of a ranty video and a quick, let's get this filmed, get it edited, get it up there. So anybody else who's placed an order with them and has not received a mystery bag, there you go. This is what they're saying. I think it's a bit off. But anyway, like I say, thank you for watching, everybody. If you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. I don't normally do ranty videos. I do makeup looks, beauty subscription box unboxings. I have some gothic and alternative subscription box unboxings. I also have a live stream on a Friday evening called the Friday Night Natter. That is at 8 PM UK time, and it's a virtual get-together. Very open-minded, supportive, inclusive community where you can come in, bring your favourite beverage, have a natter about what's gone off, put the world to rights, all in the comfort of your own home. If that sounds like a community you would like to be a part of, please do bob over and say hi. I'm also, throughout December, so for the next 2 Fridays, I'm doing a flash giveaway at some point during each of those live streams. So again, make sure you are bobbing over and joining us there. I'm also involved in a joint Facebook page with my friend Lisa from Authentic Beauty. That is called Making It Authentic. I will pop the details on screen for you now. Again, that's another social media platform for members of the community to read each other's blogs, to promote themselves to everybody else out there if they've got their own business or whatever, or just generally have another chat and chinwag with everyone, get to know everybody a bit better. So please do search Making It Authentic on Facebook for that. I'm also on Instagram, so if you would like to follow me on there, I'll pop the details yet again down at the bottom now for you. I'm getting better at uploading and updating that, but please bear with me. Obviously with Vlogmas everything is very, very hectic. Yeah, go and follow me on Instagram as well, please, everybody. So I think that's everything for today. Enjoy the rest of your day, everybody. Keep safe and well, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.